The DJI Mini 2 charging bundle includes a two-way charging hub and intelligent flight batteries, which are designed specifically for the DJI Mini 2 and Mini SE drones, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. This charging hub is capable of charging up to 3 batteries in sequence and can also function as a power bank, making it a versatile tool for on-the-go drone enthusiasts. Supporting fast charging protocols, the hub can charge batteries at a maximum power output of 29 watts, reducing downtime significantly for drone users. With the ability to fully charge 3 DJI Mini 2 batteries in just 4 hours, when paired with the DJI 18-watt USB charger, this bundle is ideal for those who want more flying time. The intelligent flight batteries offer up to 31 minutes of flight time, providing a longer and more enjoyable drone flying experience. Equipped with DJI's intelligent battery management system, these batteries ensure safer flights by managing power efficiently and effectively.